Hey, Cutter. What kind of birds you want to shoot?
Green ones.
Huh?
Green ones.
Green ones.
Sorry, dog. Sorry, is bird daddy.
I know. You wanna see a quail?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with it?
I'll play with it.
How many pheasants do you want at your house?
2.
Two.
I supposed to stuff in the water, dump them.
Oh yeah. How about guineas?
Yes.
How many?
2 in my pond.
Guineas don't live in the water.
Yes.
No, they'll drown.
No, they're in ponds.
You'll have 2 dead guineas.
I'll shoot them.
Okay. If they can start drowning, you'll shoot them
Yes, in the water.
in the water. What are you gonna shoot them with?
Guns.
What kind of gun?
Purple guns.
Uh-huh. What about your pheasants? What are you gonna do with them?
Shoot them.
Are we gonna eat them?
Yes, and shoot them, dip blood on them, and eat them.
We're gonna cook them in the frying pan.
Yes, I got them.
We can make a pheasant pizza, couldn't we?
Gross.
What about
Chicken pheasant.
chicken pheasants?
Yes.
Well, they're kind of close. They look a lot alike, Cutter, but pheasants are better.
And just a picture.
Would you like to have?
Pizza
Would you like to have
pheasant.
Would you like to have 10 pheasants?